Good morning, students. Today we are going to study Invention of Vita Wong, written by Roald Dahl. All of you take your English textbook for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope you that all of you ready for the class. I hope you that you already take that page. The Invention of Vita Wong, written by Roald Dahl. It's taken from the Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. So we already studied this lesson in the previous class, but here I'm going to take the topic again for just elaborately. Okay. So invention of Vita Wong. Mr. Willy Wong began by inventing Wonga wit, which makes the people younger, but Wonka wit is too strong. So some people disappear because their age become minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he is got to wait 87 years before he can come back. So Mr. Willy Wong must invent a new thing. So this lesson depict that the meaning that the Mr. Willy Wonka invent a new thing that is depicted in this lesson. So let us start the lesson. Mr. Wonka said, "So once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. Once again I squeezed my brain, searching for the new recipe. I had to create age to make people old, older, and oldest. Haha, I cried, for now the idea were beginning to come. What is the oldest living things in the world? What lives longer than anything else?" So this is the uh, paragraph I'm going to take today. So this is a small paragraph. I'm going to set the meanings are elaborately. So here the difficult words are set to work means began to work. Recipe means instructions for making something. So after that we just go to the this paragraph meanings. The story begins with Mr. Wonka. He's trying to explain to Charlie how he had invented Vita Wong, and he told him that he had rolled up his sleeves and had set to work. He knew then that he had to create something new. So he squeezed his brain. Squeezed means he overthinking. So he squeezed his brain so that he wanted to make the people old by creating age. And he said that he wanted to make the people oldest, and to that he had to work for something which could be as old as he wanted the people to become by his new product. After after that point, he cried in happiness. After he coming to that point, he cried in happiness because the ideas were beginning to flood his mind. That means he had to search for something on this earth which was the oldest being alive. So this is the summary of this paragraph. This is the meaning of this paragraph. You have to read. Thank you, children.